Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Lollie and I love doing beauty and lifestyle videos and occasional vlogs. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this Valentine's themed look. So Valentine's is just right around the corner, and as you guys know, it's all about pink, it's all about red, it's all about love, roses and all that. So I'll be showing you guys how to come up with this pink themed makeup look for your Valentine's. And yeah, so you can use this on a day date, night date. Actually, you can use this look can go at any time and for any occasion on Valentine's, or actually it doesn't have to be a Valentine's look only. You can wear this at any time. But I just thought pink and Valentine's go so well together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're excited about it like I am, stay tuned. So guys, I think I should bring you guys a lot closer so that you guys can see exactly what I do on my eyes, since that's what we're going to be concentrating mainly on. I did the rest of my face out off camera because the face makeup, the base makeup is just the same. There's nothing different. The difference is going to be mainly on the eyeshadow and the lipstick. So yeah, let me bring you guys closer. So guys, we are a lot closer. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. So just put that all over my eyelids. Set my eyelids with the Sacha Buttercup powder, which is the same that I have on my under eyes. So the first palette I'm going to be using is the not the Huda Beauty, it's the Huda Cosmetics Toggle Eyeshadow 24 color palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right up here. It's the shade Jobag. I'll just go in with that as a transition shade. Okay, so after that I'm going to go in with the shade Juba right here. It's a nice brown shade. So since this shade is very pigmented, I'm not gonna use much of it. I'll just blend that in with the transition shade. See how well this shade is showing up on camera. I don't think I can see it properly on camera, but in person it's really showing up. It's really pigmented, which I really like. Okay, let me stop since I'm not reviewing this palette. So guys, the next palette I'm going into is this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here. So next I'm going to go in with a pink shade, these two mixed together, right into the crease of the eye. So I'm going to pack that in the crease and the outer view of the eye, just like that. As you can see, I'm just basically placing. I'm not even blending, I'm just placing the shade. I don't go all the way in, I'm just doing it around the outer parts of the eye. Then right after, I take a clean brush. As you can see, this is a very clean brush. It hasn't been used at all. And use that to blend those shades together. As you can see, this palette is very pigmented as well, and it's very colorful, by the way. If you like doing colorful looks, this palette will be an amazing investment for you. So guys, this is how far we are as per now. As you can see, I'm concentrating the intensity of the pink on the outer V of my eye. I'm not letting it come into the inner corners of the eye. So far, after that, you come into this shade right here, this black shade. I wish I still had the shade names of this, but okay. And you don't pick too much, just a little, and you put that on the outer V as well, just very little, just to darken that. As you can see, I'm just putting very little. Intensify it if you wish, but I'm not really going for a dark smoky look. I just want to give the eye some definition and then blend that out. So that is it so far. So the next thing you're going to do is cut the crease. You're going to need a brush, preferably a concave firm one, and where's my concealer? And your concealer, the same one you used to set your eye with. I'm not cutting my entire crease, I'm doing a semi-cut crease. So that is how you do a semi-cut crease. You can get it, you just cut the crease halfway using your concealer. So I'm just gonna go do this other eye. So guys, this is the eye so far. As you can see, both creases have been cut, And so the next thing, I'm going to pick those same pink shades I used around there and pack them on. Oops, I'm using the color side. So I'm just gonna pack those on right there until that point. So after that, I'm gonna go to this white shade right here. As you can see, it's very white but it's shimmery, and I'm going to put this all over the rest of the lid. So I'm just gonna pick that like that, and as you guys can see, that's the final result. So I'll just come back, let me do the other eye, then we'll be back. So guys, this is the eyes so far. As you can see, the white is very intense and shimmery, which is why I like it so much. So I'm just gonna pick this brush, the one with the pink, and blend those two together right there. As you can see, this has like a line, this has been blended out. So you just do the same thing to the other eye. So that is it, you guys. As you can see, it's a very easy look to follow. You can do it in like 10 minutes. I think I've done this in 10 minutes actually. And okay, I've not done this in 10 minutes because I've done a lot of explaining, but it's a very easy and very quick look, you guys. And you can do it very quick and easy. You can actually add a wing liner if you wish. I'm not a fan, so I'm just going to pop on some lashes and I'll be back. So guys, I just put on my lashes. So I'll be setting my face using the Mario Badescu. It's so amazing. If you want glowy makeup, that's it for you. If you want hydrated skin in your skincare routine, it's there for you. As you can see, I'm glowing. So for highlighter, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter. So for my lips, I'm going to mix this dark brown lipstick shade. So I'm just going to put this on the outer part of my lips. Okay, I need a mirror for this. I will need a mirror. Yeah. So I'll just put this on the outer corners of my lip. And in the middle, I'm going to go with this NYX Cosmetics Lip Lingerie in the shade Fancy Pants, which is just a nice cute pink, as you can see. Pink. So guys, this is the final look. It's been months since I did a pink lip, like you guys. And there was a time I was actually obsessed with doing colored lipstick, and then I just went into nudes, then gloss, and well, since it's Valentine's, we are back on the nudes. That is it for this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire tutorial. I have never done such an in-depth eyeshadow tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. Can't wait to hear your feedback on this. And yeah, I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys did too. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do give this video a thumbs up as well. And bye. Oh, and by the way, you guys, comment on my background. It's new. I'm trying to play around with fabrics and see which works best for you guys. So yeah, tell me whether you like it. Bye.